Welcome back everyone. Just for a quick recap, the other day I grinded to Eerie 2, played 18 games, which 11 of those games I got 4K with one hatch game. Here's 2 of those games which feature Billy and Bubba. For Bubba I use the purple spike boots to make turns easier, and the iridescent brick, which is a really fun add-on. It causes you to be undetectable while sprinting. Mix that with Tinker and makes for great times. On Bubba, I went ahead and used the iridescent flesh, which gives you a full boost of your chainsaw tokens after hitting Survivor, which we got great value out of twice in this match. Make sure you hit the subscribe button for when we release the other matches from this day, and on with the games. Like way over here. I'll have to mess with that and see. Oh, did she? Oh, yeah, she was pretty pissed, wasn't she? Oh my gosh, it's Spectra. What's going on? Oh, really? I really wish I would have been able to hit that. I'm doing good. Just sitting here having some fun. Jake, I don't think that was worth it. Oh, maybe it was worth it. Nope, it wasn't worth it. I guess I should put out my cigarette here. My gosh, they're really wanting to get these gens done. Alright, we're gonna just stop chasing him around for a minute. Where did he go? See, Tap knows that there's a delay, but he kind of messed up on that delay. Damn it, I don't have a... I was hoping for a scourge hook. I'm gonna have to end one this Jake. Nope, never mind. He ran right into that. It's kind of funny.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have so many Billy clips.
Yeah.
I need to find the fourth one. I just saw her over here. You know, I use the scourge hook so much I forget that I have pop now. Like, I don't even like kicking gens anymore. Where are these people? There they are. You gonna vault that early? Yep, you are. I should have pulled off of that, but it's okay. We're having fun. Damn it. Ah, I keep messing up around these corners. If it goes back to it. I was gonna say, I thought I saw him. Still pretty far behind. But I'm not really getting any scourge hooks very well. Like, they're all over the place.
Yeah.
I mean, if I would remember I have pop, then this is pretty damn strong. Ah, that was great. Oh, look, he's inside. Oh, there he goes. Oh, good one. Good fake. He must have dead-hearted into me or something.
Ah. Yeah.
going after Jane. I need another hook on her. Because I've barely seen her. Yes, I'm hooking you. Alright, where is he? This is a lot better than the last Billy game, that's for damn sure. Really? Honestly, did not think he was gonna go for it. I think they messed up pretty much every dead hard so far. Alright, Jane. I mean, if I don't get her, it's not a big deal. I would just like the double pip. Get to red 3. Not in here. Oh, she found it. It's alright. I may have gotten the double pick because I did get it. Oh no, I think Jake tried to kill himself on hook. What? How the fuck is that possible? Because I didn't chase him enough. I know, that's stupid. I mean, if you get everybody on death hook, you should at least get a pip. All right, Bubba, show me the way. Now, last time I played Bubba, they did the gens so freaking quick. I think it was 4 gens, 2.5 minutes. I kind of chalked it up to being a hacker because they didn't have brand new parts or anything. Oh, that's awesome. I've never used it before. Yeah, I know. You gonna be able to get the blind? Nope, you're not. Oh, way too soon, Bill. Way too soon. I need to get some regular hits in, though. I want to at least get everybody on hook, though. Because that's the thing about Bubba, though. If you rely just on the chainsaw, you're going to lose some of those points. That's why I don't do it all the time. somebody else over here too. Wait, do I have a... No, I don't have Devour on this one. Don't worry, I'm coming after you. Oh, yeah, your pallet's not gonna work. Yeah, I mean, I will. I'll resort to it, but other than like the first hook or something, I try to mix an M1ing. Or I'll M1 them and then use the chainsaw to get those points. Which is probably why I don't win all the time as Bubba. I saw somebody over there. I see you guys though. But yeah, if I can get a chain of them, then I definitely will. Because that's just cool to do. Where did you go? I know she's right here. Oh, I had Pop. Damn it. I've gotten so used to that damn Scrooge hook that I forget about Pop. Nope. Alright, let's leave here. Let's go find him. Alright, Bill again, I guess. There you guys are. Oh, you are back there. Shit. I hate it whenever I can't find somebody. And then they end up being back here. There you are. That's kind of a cute outfit. Is that off the Rift? Where does she go? Okay, right here. Oh, this is the other one. Okay, yeah, that's kind of a cute outfit. Usually if it's not Nia, I don't pay attention to it. Okay, which Bill are you? Oh. If this is the USAF Bill, nope, it's not. It's purple. Okay. Yeah, I saw it. I'm waiting to unlock all of it to see how it looks all together. And with my head. Because I won't give up my head. Well, I use the pink head or I use my purple head. One of the two. Sorry, Bill. You're about to go down here. Well, somebody else could jump in, because you're on death hook, dude. I don't know if he saw me actually jump and come in here or not. Alright, I gotta find somebody else. Looping him around that building can be bad. Alright, let's see how scared I can make him. I keep missing that. The green one. 3 downs? Oh shit, I did get all 3. Just save that. Because I did not even realize I got it. I didn't realize I downed 3 of them. That's cool. I did click, yeah, I hit the clip button. You can even get my explanation, like, or, my expression. Like, what? Like, where did she go? Come here, Bill. Yeah, I'm tunneling a little bit, but whatever. They're all dead. I'm gonna have to go back and watch that clip because I really did not realize that I hit all 3 of them. Bill was just freaking here. I guess I'll get the pop points. I mean, they're dead either way. I mean, they got 4 gens, you know. The last 2 are on death hook. I may have to clip both of them. The beginning one too. I don't know if I clipped that one. When I go back to clip this, I'll hopefully remember to go back and clip the other one too. Bill's still back here. I'm clipping that because I did not know he was there. And that's the second time tonight I've just taken a guess on Walker. GG's. We are going to go back and look at that clip. There's my other double pip.